अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मैं आपको एक बड़ा सरप्राइज़ देने लगी। आपको पता है मैं कौन सी अभी गाड़ी में जाऊंगी सैर करने। ओ आई शो यू, अभी दिखाती हूँ आपको। आज तो मेरे मज़े, हाँ आज है मम्मी और मैं सैर करके जाऊंगी। सो मैं अभी आपको दिखाती हूँ कि मैं आज किस में सैर करने जा रही हूँ। अ बिग सरप्राइज़, जस्ट वेट, होल्ड होल्ड होल्ड, मुझे मज़ा आने वाला है। सो एक्साइटेड। ये देखो ये देखो ये देखो ये देखो ये देखो ये देखो, ये वाली गाड़ी में मैं जाऊंगी, अभी सैर करूंगी। वाह, सो इस गाड़ी में अभी जाऊंगी। ये मेरे फ्रेंड है एबो, ये मैं लेके जाएंगे, इसको सैर करूंगी मैं। जाऊंगी गोल्ड सूक। बम 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 बम।
गाड़ी लेने गया
या गाड़ी लेने गया मैं। अब मैं बैठने लगी हूँ इस गाड़ी में। ओह, हाउ डज दिस वर्क हियर? या ओके, yes, I am sitting in the car. So hi, Abu.
Hello.
Hi, because I'm making my vlog from
All
my,
right.
okay, my YouTube channel. Okay, so here we go. Shoo. So it's the belt. Safety first. Ciao. Okay, let's go. So we will lead, or you will. It's a beautiful. Yeah, sure. Why not? It is a bit hot today.
Yeah.
Then AC is not gonna work good. Okie dokie. There you go. Whoa, voila. See? Woohoo! So it's a bit hot, but we have to enjoy. Okay, let's see what to do. Can you go see this lorry where it's going? So go straight and then take right. Yeah, right. Here you have to monitor speed limit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is the fine if you do that fine?
So if you exceed limit, then you have to pay like it's 70. So if you can go one like 10 above, like 80.
Okay.
So if you exceed that, then you have to pay 300 to 500, and it's fine. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So every time you do that, you have to pay 300.
Yeah, 300. Yeah.
Okay, dirhams.
Yeah, dirhams. But not the black points, but some you have to pay fine.
Right.
Okay. So what car is this?
Maserati C8.
Maserati C8 में बैठी हुई हूँ मैं और enjoy कर रही हूँ। Okay. So look, this is my friend Abu, and we are going towards Gold Souk. Gold खरीदने जा रहे हैं हम। And Abu, we are gonna have a race. Let's see who's gonna go straight first.
Hello guys.
Hello. So this is Abu from the UK. Ready, guys? So it's ready. Please.
Right.
So here we go. Woo! Yeah.
Right, going straight.
Yeah, keep on straight. Go. Yeah, you can change, but go straight. 6. School पहुंची हुई है देखो. So now, this exit take right. Here we are, Gold Center. So now we have to search for parking here.
Do I go?
Yeah, you go this way. We can take a round or check parking here at the back. I think